at the City of Wayne Historical Museum. So this is Wayne, Michigan. Oh, it's a gold clock. Gratham Page. That's interesting. I've never seen a carburetor off of an aircraft. From the Allison engine. Is there a upstairs as well? Just this floor?
Nope, just this floor.
Okay, got it. Thanks. It's kind of funny. So this is really interesting. Eloise was basically a hospital, tuberculosis center, mental ward, whatever you want to call it. Huge facility here in Wayne. And it's almost entirely gone. And it's really a shame what the city did or was allowed to do. They did not keep it as a museum, and it's really, really sad. It was sold to a private person. I wanted to make videos of Eloise, but there's really nothing to see there anymore. They've destroyed everything basically. Anyway, this is Wayne, Michigan. There's a Ford plant here just a couple miles down the road. I think they make pickup trucks there, something like that. Check out these giant cannons. Yeah, cute little building.